everyone, my name is Wanda and I'm with the Alpha Park Library. Welcome to Mini Melodies, our story time aimed at kids ages 3 to 6. So today's story time is all about love, or Valentine's Day. So do you guys think that Valentine's Day is gross and stinky, or do you think it's fun? I think it's fun. So we're going to read some books on the topic and sing some fun songs. So as always, let's start with Make New Friends. Make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver and the other's gold. A circle's round, it has no end. That's how long I want to be your friend. Okay, let's go again. Make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver and the other's gold. A circle's round, it has no end. That's how long I want to be your friend. Okay, so our next song is called Valentine. Go. Valentine, Valentine, happy Valentine's Day. Valentine, Valentine, happy Valentine's Day. I have something to say. I-L-O-V-E-Y-O-U, I love you. Valentine, Valentine, happy Valentine's Day. Valentine, Valentine, I have something to say. I-L-O-V-E-Y-O-U, I love you. Okay, so our first book is called The Day It Rained Hearts. This is a really cute book all about making Valentines. One day, it started raining hearts. And Cornelia Augusta caught one. She caught another. And another. It wasn't very hard, so she caught some more. It must be getting close to Valentine's Day, she thought, and she set to work making Valentines. The hearts she caught would make perfect cards. Cornelia Augusta saw that all of her hearts were different. She looked at each one from the front and the back and the side and decided which ones would be just right for her friends. She found 7 that were more or less alike and strung them together with a needle and thread. I know just the right person for this one, she thought. Then Cornelia Augusta took an especially handsome heart and pasted it on a piece of paper. In the center of the heart, she glued a cotton ball, one that was very white and very soft, and she knew instantly who this card would be for. Cornelia Augusta had 8 hearts left. On the largest one, she drew circles and then very carefully cut them out. The other hearts were so small, she arranged all of them on one piece of paper. Around the heart, she painted patterns of many colors. Then she folded her design in half. There was no doubt in her mind who would receive these. Cornelia Augusta put a stamp on each of her Valentines and mailed them. It never rained hearts again, not where Cornelia Augusta lived anyway. But it didn't matter, because the next year, and the next, and all the years after that, Cornelia Augusta found other ways to make Valentines. See, if you go back, you can see all of her friends. Let's see, she made the garland for the puppy. She made the one with holes out of it for the mouse, so it looked like cheese. And the one for the turtle, she made a little turtle out of the hearts. And for the rabbit, she put a little cotton ball. Isn't that really sweet? It's really sweet to give Valentines to everybody that you care about. So this week's craft is a little strawberry heart Valentine. I thought it was cute because strawberries kind of look like hearts, don't they? You can design that however you want. So our poem is called Love is a Circle. Here we go. Love is a circle, round and round. Love goes up and love comes down. Love is on the inside, trying to get out. Love is whirling and twirling about. Okay, let's go again. Love is a circle, round and round. Love goes up and love comes down. Love is on the inside, trying to get out. Love is whirling and swirling about. Okay, so our second book is called Love Is. This one is more just about what love is, not so much Valentine's Day. Love is holding something fragile, tiny wings and downy head. Love is noisy midnight feedings, shoebox right beside the bed. See, she got a little baby duck. It's peaceful sleeping, no more peeping, tucked in tightly, head to toes. Love is waking up together, side by side, and beak to nose. It's early mornings, messy bath times, tidying up and settling down. Love is in familiar voices, feeling lost and being found. It's in the struggles, growing muscles, ready for a bigger pond. It's sensing when the time is right to lift those wings, to travel on. Love is nudging, gently tugging, coaxing baby from the nest. It's getting to the edge and hoping, letting nature do the rest. Love is missing, reminiscing, wishing things could stay the same. It's understanding, even ducklings, like the seasons, have to change. And love is also watching, waving, wondering if love remembers you, and knowing in a happy instant that love has lasted and grown some too. Look, her little baby duck grew up and had baby ducklings. Oh, that was a really cute book. See, love is so many different things. The book's kind of like that phrase, if you love something, let it free, and if it loves you, it'll flutter back or something like that. So you have to remember when you love something to let it spread its wings, just like she let the little duckling. Okay, so our last song is The More We Get Together. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Okay, let's go again. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me for this story time, and I hope to see you next week. Thank you. Bye-bye.